goal with this activity is to reduce overall muscle tension. It's awesome if you're limited in many directions. Here's what you're gonna do. You're gonna get your head on an Eric's pad or a pillow. You want the top leg forward, like so. You don't want it really high up. You want it at about this angle right here with the foot on the ground. Your top arm is gonna grip on the underside of the down rib cage, and you're gonna start pretty much close to your stomach like this. From here, you're gonna gently grip your rib cage. You're gonna pull your torso up. Think about moving through the sternum. As you do that, you wanna lift the knee up at the same time. You wanna think about a line going from your nose, chest, and zipper, all staying together as you roll and flop onto your back, just like so. In terms of breathing, keep your mouth closed, quietly nasal breathe. Just like that. Now, a common thing people do that screws this up is they'll lift a bunch with the upper body and then won't let the lower body come along with it. You want everything to move as one. So you're really thinking about pulling the rib cage gently, lifting the knee up as you do it. And that's how it's done. Give it a shot.